If you want to learn how to use Tinkercad for Arduino, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to build and test Arduino circuits virtually in Tinkercad, even if you do not have the real hardware yet. This is one of the easiest ways to practice coding, wiring, and circuit design, and it is perfect for beginners, students, and anyone who wants to prototype ideas fast. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Tinkercad account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look on the left side and click on Circuits. This is very important because if you stay in the 3D design area, you will not be able to build Arduino projects. Tinkercad has different tools for different types of work, and the Circuits editor is the one you need for electronics and Arduino simulation. After you click Circuits, select Create New Circuit to open a fresh workspace. Now you are in the circuit editor, and the next step is to add your Arduino board. On the right side, you will see the Components panel. Make sure the drop-down is set to Basic so you can quickly find the most common parts. Search for Arduino Uno R3, then drag it into the workspace. This board is the center of your project, and it will let you write code and simulate your circuit right inside Tinkercad. If you want to make your project more complete, you can also drag in a breadboard, LEDs, resistors, buttons, or other basic components. Once your components are placed, it is time to connect everything with wiring. Click on a pin on the Arduino, like pin 13 or GND, then click on a hole in the breadboard, or directly on another component to create a wire. Tinkercad makes this really simple because you can visually connect each part without needing real jumper wires. If you are building a basic beginner circuit, you can connect an LED with a resistor and use one digital pin to control it. And here's a useful pro tip. If a wire is selected, you can press keys from 1 through 9 on your keyboard to change the wire color. For example, use red for 5 volt and black for GND, so your circuit stays clean and easy to read. After the wiring is ready, it is time to write the code. Click the Code button in the top right corner. Tinkercad gives you a few coding options, so you can choose the one that best fits your skill level. You can use blocks if you want a visual drag and drop experience, blocks plus text if you want to learn both at the same time, or text if you want to write in Arduino C++. If you are just starting out, blocks is a great way to understand logic without worrying too much about syntax. If you already know Arduino programming, the text mode will feel more familiar. In many cases, Tinkercad even loads a simple blank sketch by default, which is perfect for testing your first circuit. Now comes the fun part, running the simulation. Click Start Simulation in the top right corner, and Tinkercad will begin virtually powering your Arduino. You'll even see the USB cable connect to the board on screen, which helps make the experience feel very real. If your code and wiring are correct, your components should respond immediately. For example, an LED may start blinking, turning on and off in real time based on your code. This is one of the best parts of using Tinkercad because you can test ideas, spot mistakes, and learn from them without burning out components or needing a physical setup. If something doesn't work, don't worry. Check your wiring first, then look at your code, and make sure you selected the correct pins. A lot of beginners make simple mistakes like using the wrong resistor, connecting to the wrong Arduino pin, or forgetting to start the simulation. The good news is that Tinkercad makes troubleshooting much easier because you can see everything clearly on the screen. That means you can experiment, make changes, and try again as many times as you need. So that's how to use Tinkercad for Arduino from start to finish. You learned how to open circuits, add an Arduino Uno, connect parts, write code, and run a live simulation. Once you get comfortable with these basics, you can start building more advanced projects like sensors, buzzers, motors, and more. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Arduino project you want to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.